Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are reviewing Elves Home. These are heated gloves. So they are connected. You just simply press down and disconnect them. So standard heating glove. Nice material. This is your power button. Inside here should be your battery. Yes, so this is your battery. This is what it looks like. It's actually a pretty cool design. Nice square. So what you would do, you would connect this right in here, and then you would stick this back inside. They do provide you with a USB charger, and that does charge both batteries at one time. Press and hold the button here. So I know it's a little dark, but it's gonna light up red for full. It's gonna be white for low, medium, high. Let's go ahead and we're gonna actually use the other glove because, well, we can take our watch off here and we're gonna use this glove. So it is a tight fit, which is very nice. As you can see, now I can't really move these two fingers independently. You know, I can't do that with without a glove. So but I want to show you how free flowing and moving the gloves are. So each finger, you know, if you can move it separately, you can move it. Good for gripping, good for working outside. To tighten this on your arm, you just simply pull this up and it makes it tight. Same for around your wrist. You pull this, makes it tight around your wrist. This makes it tight there. When you want this loosened up, you just pull back. And for this, you just press in the button. It opens up just like that. And now it allows you to slide your hand out. All right, we're gonna test this out for probably a day or two. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, my friends, welcome back. So I've been testing these out for, I would say, a day or two. I tested out by chopping some wood using this with an axe. And overall, the battery life is actually kind of surprising. Let me go ahead and see the battery size for you guys. I was very shocked because I didn't think the battery size was that big, but however, it did seem to last really long, which is shocking. When you're not using these, make sure you disconnect this. But the battery is 3.7 volts. It's a 4000 mAh battery. I didn't think it was gonna last that long, but overall, that shocked me. I think the most impressive thing about these was how long the batteries actually last. So I'm very impressed.